We'll now talk about the specific ways of prevention. In the last video we had studied about general ways of prevention. Here we'll study about the specific ways of prevention. General ways are same for all types of diseases, but specific diseases, when we talk about specific disease, we have to talk about immunization. How can we protect ourselves from the pathogen? We are all talking about when the COVID vaccine will come. We are all talking about that. We are eagerly waiting for that, so that the world is cured of this pandemic. So, in order to get rid of a pathogen, in order to get rid of a disease, we need to have a vaccine. We need to be vaccinated against that particular pathogen. Now, vaccines provide immunity to our body. It provides strength to our body to fight against the pathogen. So, various diseases, against various diseases, there are various kinds of vaccines which protect us from those diseases, like hepatitis, like influenza. These are some of the diseases against which vaccines have been developed. We are now waiting for the COVID vaccine also, so that the entire world get rid of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, what happens? How does a vaccine work? I'll tell you. Our body has an immune system. Immune system means the capability of our body to fight against the infection. If my body is capable of fighting a particular pathogen, then I am said to be immune, or I am strong. If somebody else's body is not that strong, the pathogen will find an easy entry into that person's body. So that person is not properly immune. So immune का मतलब है, immunity का मतलब है proper आपके पास defense mechanism है कोई भी बीमारी से लड़ने के लिए. और जब वैक्सीन दिया जाता है, when you are introduced a vaccine in your body, what happens? Vaccine has some special capabilities. What does it do is, our body has some cells called as memory cells. हमारे body के अंदर ही है memory cells. Vaccines क्या करता है? Memory cell को activate कर देता है. The vaccines they activate the memory cells. What happens? अगर memory cell activate हो गया, यही बीमारी आपको दूसरी बार अटैक करने आएगा तो आपका अटैक नहीं कर पाएगा, क्योंकि आपका memory cell activate हो चुका है. Your memory cells, when it becomes active, it will not allow the same disease to enter into your body once you are inserted with that vaccine, once you are administered, once you are given that particular vaccine. So vaccine होने से वो बीमारी आपको दोबारा अटैक नहीं कर पाएगा, क्योंकि आपका memory cell activate हो जाएगा. So this is how vaccine works. So that is why हम लोग भी वैक्सीन के लिए इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, ताकि दोबारा हम में से किसी को भी, जिसको भी हुआ है कोविड-19 जैसे खतरनाक बीमारी का सामना ना करना पड़े. And finally, I would like to say that we are almost on the verge of end of this chapter, and I would like to say that though the diseases are not under our control, but still whatever हमारे हाथ में है, जो कुछ हमारे हाथ में है, whatever we can do, we should do to prevent such diseases, any diseases from attacking us. And always remember, it has already been propagated many times on the television, on the mobile phones, on Google, that wash your hands regularly for 30 seconds in order to eliminate virus, bacteria, or any kind of germs. And obviously we need to administer, we need to get the proper vaccine at the proper time, and then definitely not many people in this world will lose their lives. So with this I end up the chapter. This is the last slide that I have for you. We are completing this chapter. Why do we fall ill is over for you. Thank you.